Hi, welcome to the second module in this training program. In this module, we will learn Bootstrap. You might be wondering what Bootstrap is. Bootstrap is like external CSS file that we will link to our HTML page to apply various styles. We have already created an external CSS in our previous module that we use to style our HTML page. So why use Bootstrap? Because when you use Bootstrap, you don't have to write style statements again and again. Bootstrap has several predefined CSS classes. We just need to include the name of the class and the style gets applied. This makes web development easier. This is what the official website describes Bootstrap as. Bootstrap is the most popular HTML, CSS and JavaScript framework for developing responsive mobile-first projects on the web. So Bootstrap is a CSS and JavaScript framework to develop responsive websites. You can learn the advantages of Bootstrap from the helper text. In the NetBeans, let us create a new project, project_bootstrap. We will be working on this index.html file in the project_bootstrap folder for demonstrating the use of Bootstrap. Let's get started with Bootstrap. First, we need to include Bootstrap in our index.html page. There are two ways to include Bootstrap in our web page. First method is by downloading Bootstrap. Visit the Getting Started page of Bootstrap and download Bootstrap. The link is provided in the helper text. Wait for the download to complete. The Bootstrap downloaded file will be present in your default download folder. In my case, it is Downloads folder. Extract the files from the Bootstrap zip file that you downloaded. I am renaming the folder to Bootstrap to keep it simple. Now cut and paste this in the public_HTML folder of your project. Click on Bootstrap folder. This is what you would see inside the file. You can see three folders. First is the CSS folder. The two important files in this folder are bootstrap.css and bootstrap.min.css. The difference between these two is that the bootstrap.min is minified CSS. What is minifying? Minifying is a programming term that basically means to remove any unnecessary characters like white spaces, line break, comments, etc. These characters are used to format the code and make it more legible. But these are not required for the execution of the code. This increases the file size and increases the page load time. So it is advised to use minified version. As mentioned, you will find the size of bootstrap.css file is heavier than bootstrap.min.css file. That's it in this lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn how to include Bootstrap in our index file.